welcome back. I'm going to do another Dutch pour today. I wanted to show you my finished piece I just did. It's dry now, but it has all the iridescent all in here, the black and the white. It looks pretty cool. Dried very well. No cracking, no crazing. So I'm excited to get this one finished. I'm going to give it a couple more days to set up, and then I'm going to put some of that CRAZED liquid glass on it. And hopefully all these are going to brighten up some more. So for today I'm going to do basically the same thing, except my black paint, I thinned it out some more, so it's not going to be so thick. White is going to be the same. I mixed my colors last night in some plastic cups, and I did use the ColourArte Pigments, and instead of the vivid enamel I did use the CRAZED liquid glass for a pouring medium, because it says it is a pouring medium, so let's try it out. This one is the Pixie Dust. It's really pretty, and I am glad I did do these last night. They seem to set better. They were super bubbly when I was done mixing them up last night. This one was the Shy Rose. This one is the Sea Goddess. Yeah, these look amazing. And all I did is these cups, filled these cups up 3/4 full with the CRAZED, and then the spoon, I just filled 1 spoonful of pigment in each one. This one is the Papillon. Don't know if I said that right, but it's awesome. Okay, gonna get these over here. Gonna do my white, and I am gonna speed this process up again, just like the last video, because it does take a couple minutes to get this done. So here we go. Okay, so that's covered. Can you take my torch? Get some of the bubbles out. Now, I'm going to move my paints out of the way. I'm going to move this out of the way. Now, I'm going to start. This time, I'm going to do these puddles. I'm just going to have them all the same. These colors are super translucent. This is really awesome. I'm real curious to see how it's going to react, because the white and the black I did mix with the Floetrol. This I mixed with the CRAZED liquid glass. You can see how much thinner it is. How awesome these colors are. Probably using too much paint again. It's alright, it's going to be amazing no matter what happens. Okay. I'm going to get me some more black over here. And some more white over here, and handy dandy little hair dryer. I'm going to put it on high and on cool. definitely used too much paint again. Next time I'll use less paint, but that was super fun. I lost all my color that I wanted to keep here because I was hoping to blend it in down. And I think I'm okay with it. This looks really awesome. It's iridescent right here. And it looks solid white here, which is really cool. Huh. This is very awesome. Well, let's see how it dries. This is a lot of fun. So, let me know what you think. Please comment on the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It helps support us and allows me to keep doing these videos and experiments and helping you guys out. So I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know what you think. Bye!